There are several ways to maintain the gutters of your home. Routine cleaning of the gutter. The first is to clean them frequently, so debris and leaves won't clog them. The second way is to check for leaks and rust. Check the joints for holes, too. If there are any, you can use a caulking or sealant kit that you can find at any home improvement store. Afterward, clean them thoroughly and apply a sealant or caulking to the joints. Gutter cleaning can help rainwater to flow freely down to the downspout. Check the downspout for clogs. You should also check the downspouts on your home. If they have clogged, you can use a plumber's snake to unclog them. Then, you should install wire leaf strainers. Simply insert the wire leaf strainer into the downspout openings and the wire will keep the downspouts clear. This will prevent leaves, sticks, and other debris from entering the downspouts. If you don't want to spend the money to hire a professional, try doing it yourself. 3. Execute required maintenance. A simple lookout or visual inspection of your pipe can is necessary if you want to keep your gutter in a good condition. It is easy to spot any sign of rust or corrosion with a little inspection. Seeing a small crack, holes, or gaps between each section will be able to repair it quickly before it gets worse. If the damage is severe, you may need to call a gutter specialist to have them replace the damaged section. 4. Install a gutter guard. A guard or screen is an additional way to protect your pipe from any form of damage. Apart from keeping your gutters clean, they also prevent penetrating the inside clogging with leaves, debris, and twigs.